Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's world, and happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Ladies, gentlemen, I hope you had a great time. I hope you enjoyed your outing if you went out. And if you don't have anybody, I hope you treated yourself. And with that, let's kick off this review. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got another giveaway going on, and can you guess by who? That's right, Papy watch face. Again, you got to give him 2 thumbs up. He's been dishing out these coupon codes for you all. Some very nice looking watch faces, paid watch faces at that. Okay, so make sure you comment so you can be able to have the opportunity to win a free watch face. All right, so with that being said, let's kick this review off. Now, the name of the watch face is called PW43 Gear Sport 12 24-hour watch face. Now, in always on mode, it's going to give you all the info you can ever need to see at a glance. It's not a bad look at all, but when you cut the watch face on, it looks really, really nice. Now, if you look exactly at the top, you got the name Gear right up under that. You get the days of the week, and highlighted over the top with blue, that lets you know pretty much what day it is. You come up under that, you get a nice digital time with a PM stamp, and right next to it, if you tap on that, it is inactive. You can go in, you can set your alarm. Right up under that, you get the full date, month. I'm telling you, this watch face looks great. So you get February 14th, which is Valentine's Day, Wednesday, 2018. You come up under that, you get all your step information, right? And as you see, guys, listen, I'm one to be reckoned with. 29,000 steps, almost 30,000 steps again this week. I'm telling you, I'm doing my thing. You get info on your calories burned, miles walked or ran, and heart rate info. Up under that, you're going to get your shortcuts. You want to go into your contacts. You can go to your contacts right here. You can also go into your calendar, your email, and your text messages, which adds some convenience in getting to the things that matter most. Now, if you go all the way down to the bottom, you got info on your battery, and you also got info on your goal completed, and it says I completed 148%. I'm doing great. Yes, this is the nice watch face. Down at the bottom, if I need to make a phone call, I'm telling you, the guy gives you everything that you can ever need right here on the watch face. Now, also, you got your battery info right here, and that's your goal completed right there too as well. So if I double tap, I can customize the color. It has several in all. Very nice. Just choose one, the one that you like, or the one that you want to color coordinate with whatever you got on for that day. This is a nice look. I'm liking it. What do you think? All right, you all, let's go ahead and check out number 2. Number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. I'm really liking number 2. Number 2 has to be my favorite out of both watch faces. Both look good, but I'm really liking number 2. Now, the name of the smartwatch face is called PW40 Gear Sport 12 24 hours. Very nice look. At the top, you get battery info. You also get step goal completed. Also, on the left-hand side, you're going to get your day, your date, your month. You also get your time in digital with the day written out right up under it. Nice, sleek look. And then you go all the way down. You're going to see that we're already 45 days in. It also lets you know how many weeks in the year we are already. If you go down, you start to see little bitty dots right here. You got one that's highlighted in blue. That represents what month it is. Very nice look. I like that. Then if you go over to the right, again, I like the sleekness in this design, and it gives you all your step info. Steps, floors climbed, heart rate, calories burned, miles walked or ran, gives you everything. And then if you go all the way down to the bottom, it gives you what's most important. Text messages, you're able to make a phone call, and you're able to check your email. And if you want to check your text messages, just tap here and you can go in and check your messages at will. So I'm liking this watch face. Now, you can also customize the color. This one here is a little bit more unique than number 1. So if I double tap on that side, I can customize the color. So I can have 2 different colors. I can mix and match however I like. I thought that was pretty slick. Let me double tap again and double tap on this one. So depending on what look you're going for, I'm telling you, this watch face is one to be reckoned with. All right, you all, don't forget, you got to comment in order to win one of the 2 watch faces. And I hope you all had the greatest Valentine's Day And listen, we're over the hump. The weekend is almost here. It won't be long now. All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel, then make sure you hit the notification bell on your way out. All right, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. Have a great one, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.